Got some bamboo in your backyard and you don't know what to do with it? Well, we have some good news for you. This guy is going to show us how to make the perfect kitty bed. Yup, one of many benefits of bamboo is also building beds for cats. Now isn't that convenient? It's kinda like knitting, but with bamboo. Yeah, you get the idea. It might take a long time, but it's honestly the perfect activity to keep you busy. And the craftsmanship should honestly be appreciated because not anyone could do this so easily. It seems like it's almost done. Let's wait and see. I think we got a winner.